You also want to have the key sections of your manuscript in mind, and that your manuscript follows the IMRaD structure. Even if it's a very short paper, like a brief communication, they all follow the IMRaD structure, even if you don't have the specific sections. But most journals will follow this structure. And you have four main questions you want to answer in every manuscript. So the introduction answers the question, what is the problem? The materials and methods answers the question, how can the problem be solved? So how your paper becomes a solution for it. And you want to have your methods that are described in very intricate details. If you're worried about word limits here, you may want to cite other papers. This is another section where text overlap can be a problem. So you may want to paraphrase the methods. The results is basically what was the findings of your paper and what were the findings. And then discussion section allows you to speculate, well, what does it all mean? And you can put your results in the context of all the scientific knowledge that has been published thus far in your field. So you want to follow this overall structure. Your manuscript takes on the shape of an hourglass, where the introduction starts out very general, and then you get to the specific problem that you solved and the hypotheses. And then the results, methods and results are the most specific part of your paper. Here you want to tell about sample sizes and statistical tests and so forth. And you want to have figures and tables. And these are very precise parts of your paper. And then the discussion section, you start out restating your most significant results first, and then you broaden your results, and then it broadens further. And so basically your paper takes on the shape of an hourglass. And